What's the meaning of adventurous? Adventurous. 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 The word adventurous refers to a person who is willing to take risks and explore new things. They are typically open-minded, curious, and enjoy trying out different experiences. Being adventurous can lead to exciting opportunities and personal growth, but it also entails some degree of uncertainty and potential danger. It may involve activities like traveling to unfamiliar places, trying exotic foods, or engaging in extreme sports. Overall, being adventurous means being willing to step outside of one's comfort zone and embrace the unknown.